Good morning, everyone. My name is Danish Ansari. I'm working in Regal Tours. So today we'll be talking about Australia visa, how we can apply the visa, what are the documents required, and what is the processing timeline, and what are categories of the visa we can apply for. So there are different categories of the Australia visa. Let me tell you about some few categories. First is the tourist visa, which everyone applying. Whoever wants to go for the tourism purpose or wants to visit any friends or families, they can apply for a tourist visa. Second is a business visa. Anybody who wants to go for a business meeting or any business purpose work, they can apply for a business visa. The only thing is that you need to bring the invitation letter from your company, or maybe anyone who wants to call you for the business purpose, they can send you the invitation letter from there. Documents required are the passport copy, UAE visa copy, bank statements, your Emirates ID copy, and photograph. Rest all things will be taken care from our side. The visas for Australia are three different categories, three different types. Wherein first you can apply for a 3-month visa, then you can even apply for a 6-month or a 1-year visa. If you are choosing for a 6 months or a 1-year visa, you have to go for a medical test which will be approved by the Australian Embassy. The processing time from the date of application will be around 20 to 25 days. The charges are 1,600 dirhams including the visa fees. When you go at the biometrics center, like a VFS center for the biometrics, you just have to pay a little bit of amount which will be their service fee, which they will charge you around 100 or 110 dirhams. If you have any questions, if you have any related queries, you can surely contact us on the given number mentioned, or you can even send us an email and we will be surely happy to help. Thank you.